everyone, which part of the day you like? I love evenings. Guess why? It's because we get a chance to view the sunset. Every evening, I have a habit of sitting in my balcony and, and watch the beautiful view of the nature, that is birds flying back home and the bright colors in the sky due to the sun getting down. That view gives me immense pleasure, which made me realize that I love nature. So this is Hansika standing before you to express my feelings about nature. We live in the most beautiful planet Earth, which has very clean and attractive nature full of greenery. It, Nature is our best friend as it provides us all the resources to live here. It gives us water to drink, pure air to breathe, food to eat, land to stay, animals, plants for other uses, etc. for our betterment. So friends, now I would like to conclude with this, that we should fully enjoy the nature and care for it, as it is the most precious gift given by the God to us to enjoy but not to harm. Thank you.